Tifco's ultraviolet non-woven abrasives are designed for efficient surface preparation and coating removal. Ultraviolet abrasives are heavy-duty versions of Tifco's infrared product line. What sets ultraviolet apart from other abrasives is its open web design, which allows for quick surface cleaning without damaging or removing any base material. Thanks to their non-metallic construction, ultraviolet abrasives will not cause rust like traditional abrasives because they don't contaminate the base material. This makes them a reliable and safe option for a variety of projects, including, but not limited to, working with stainless steel. Also, thanks to their non-metallic construction, ultraviolet abrasives won't blue or discolor surfaces. Ultraviolet abrasives can be used whenever and wherever surface preparation or coating removal is necessary. They are ideal for automotive manufacturing and industrial applications where precision is essential. Whether you're cleaning metal surfaces, preparing parts for coating and painting, or removing rust and corrosion, ultraviolet abrasives are a great option. Ultraviolet abrasives are available in 3 styles: Roloc mounted discs for use with die grinders, 4.5-inch diameter discs for use with angle grinders, and specialty wheel, hub, and stud cleaner discs. Each option provides a tailored solution for your needs. To use ultraviolet abrasives, simply mount them onto the appropriate tool and let the abrasive's synthetic fiber and silicon carbide grains do the work. For hub and stud cleaning discs, use with a mounting adapter to clean wheel stud threads and even battery terminals with ease. Ultraviolet abrasives are a safer alternative to traditional wire bristle tools, ensuring a more efficient and less hazardous cleaning process. Ultraviolet non-woven abrasives are available in multiple styles and sizes. Part number 8775 is for a box of 10 2-inch Roloc style abrasives. Part number 8777 is for a box of 10 3-inch Roloc style abrasives. Part number 5665 is for a 4.5-inch by 7/8-inch wheel. Part number 5664 is for a 4.5-inch by 5/8 11 wheel. Part number 35240 is for the 1.5-inch hub and stud cleaner kit. Part number 35242 is for an 1.5-inch hub and stud cleaner refill. Part number 35241 is for the 2-inch hub and stud cleaner kit. Part number 35243 is for a 2-inch hub and stud cleaner refill.